The chairman of the Malaysian national news agency, who's in China to attend the 5th World Media Summit, has highlighted China's tremendous development, saying it's an eye-opener for him.
I always feel that I always want to learn. So China is a very good example of how I could learn. China has developed so tremendously in all fields. Every time I come to China, it's an eye-opener for me. China has been moving so fast. Its modernization pace is really tremendous. And that it has set a lot of exemplary models, whether it's on trains, whether it's on construction, it's automotive vehicles are something which for me, as a Malaysian, with interest in the automotive industry, and I think that is something that we could learn a lot.
The Malaysian media leader also praised China's role in driving the global economy.
For the last 40 years, China is Malaysia's #1 trading partner, consecutively 40 years. So China is very important for Malaysia. A lot of countries depends on China opening up. So when China opens up, it helps the world to move along.
World Media Summit is an important global platform for high-level media exchanges and cooperation.